Let me show you what to do if you are having charging problems on your iPhone 15 as well as iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So, for example, if you insert your cable to charge up your phone, either it doesn't respond or it maybe charges incredibly slowly, or maybe the cable even can't properly be inserted in the phone, or maybe it very easily disconnects as you even tiny bit move the cable. So the most common problem why this happens is you simply might have something stuck inside the charging port on these phones. Maybe some lint from your pockets as you placed in your pockets gets trapped over here, and basically then you can't even properly charge your phone anymore. And we can however easily clean it using a very simple tool such as maybe like a toothbrush, a blower, and most importantly the tiniest sewing needle that you can find. So again, it has to be incredibly tiny. If you only have a big one, maybe try to get another like extremely small one, because for example, compared to the previous iPhones, so the ones which had lightning port, again this has got completely different port. On these ones we could even insert like a toothpick over here, but again, do not actually attempt to do it with a toothpick over here, you will damage your port. Essentially, also let me quickly draw you how the port actually looks on it. For example, this is our port here. Inside you have the strip, and you have a bunch of tiny connecting pins here on the strip. So the way we are going to clean it, so simply take your tiniest sewing needle you can get, insert inside basically on the edge, and simply in the scooping motion try to get all the junk and grime outside of the hole, again from both sides. I suggest not to touch the corners because there's not that much space. So let me show you how that looks like on the phone. Also, obviously, should make sure to hold your phone like this while you're doing it, so all the junk keeps falling out. So, for example, you take your needle, insert inside the charger port, and again, in the scooping motion, try to fish out anything that comes out. So, if I zoom in, so you see, let me turn on the light. Okay, but again, so this particular port doesn't have any problems. I'm just showing you. So you see, you'd insert all the way in and try to scoop out whatever comes out. Again, on both sides. Again, insert all the way in. You can also even try to move forwards and backwards, basically sideways. I mean, to basically scrape anything along the edge. So again, this is, for example, what a completely clean port looks like. Also, after you are done with the needle, literally maybe take a blower or anything you can blow inside and simply force a lot of air inside. So first we dislodge all the stuff that can come out, and again with the air blower we blow it all out. Otherwise, again, it probably won't come out on its own. So again, forcing a lot of air inside is really the best option. Also, to dislodge even more stuff, maybe on the corners, you can also take like a tiny toothbrush, basically put in few strands inside and completely brush it out properly to dislodge anything that might come out. Okay, and again follow up with a blower. So again, this is able to blow quite a huge amount of air. But yeah, the best tool really is simply a needle. So in the scooping motion, we can get easily everything out. Also, after you're done, also make sure to verify that your cable isn't also problematic. Maybe there's something stuck inside the cable. So you see it has got an opening here. So you can visually inspect. Also, maybe if it's dirty. Also check if maybe it's broken at this part over here. Usually these cables wear down quite a lot basically on this. So again, check if your cable also is actually good quality. So if your cable is good and also charging port is good, so you should be able to insert your cable, and it even should snap inside with a bit of click. And you see it's extremely secure, so you can dangle it around without any problems, and it's able to hold it. Like again, the hold has to be actually quite secure. And that again should fix most issues. Okay, good luck.